Oh, excellent. And this will go very good for them. By the way, small note, you want to write this down. NIET, National Institute for Effective Teaching, has a rival rubric that a lot of schools in Louisiana are also using. Okay? Very similar. The state, what they've done is they take the Charlotte Danielson rubric and they've chopped it down into 5 categories. They picked, and you notice a certain pattern when you look at Compass, they have picked the categories that are directly relevant to classroom instruction so that they can help prep you for the Common Core. One of my criticisms against teacher rubrics is that so often, especially the previous one, they are shallow. Okay? When they train you for principalship, there's certain things that you need to look at, but those are baseline. And so it's not about a dog and pony show. It's not about walking into a classroom and saying, okay, there's a lesson plan binder. How much correlation is there between having a lesson plan binder and you being an effective, dynamic, engaging teacher with a good classroom environment? Very little. In fact, in our profession, there's something we call, derisively, portfolio teachers, is what they called them when I was going through. A portfolio teacher, you heard that word?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're going to be portfolio teachers.
Oh, I hope not this kind. A portfolio teacher is one that spends all of their time on image. That they spend all of their time making sure that lesson plans are all color coordinated and highlighted and all of this, to the point where they're really losing focus on instruction. The backbone of teaching and the most powerful part of teaching is your relationship and your instruction between the teacher and the student. And so what this is trying to eliminate is a dog and pony show in the classroom. One of the big things I've found with Compass is that when you, for example, I was going through my administrative internship, when you're looking at observations, when you're watching a teacher, you can tell something. If I go into a teacher's classroom and the teacher starts, because the Compass rubric says questioning, right? And the teacher starts asking questions of their students and these students look confused. What does that mean?
They don't normally do that.
They don't, what was that? They don't normally do that, right? And that's the big thing, is that what this is trying to see is what is a teacher normally doing in their classroom. Same thing when they have a rubric and they have a part about student engagement and procedures. If you have student-initiated procedures, that means you have trained your students, right? You can't do that just one time when your principal comes in. It's not going to work, okay? So if you're going to expect to get a 4 on this rubric, you have to make this your habits in a classroom and part of your classroom system, okay? Does that sound about right? Good. So let's go ahead and talk.